Your strength training, does that mean you get stronger forever? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. When you first begin strength training, of course, the rate at which you gain strength is significant if you were to graph it over time. With consistent strength training over longer periods of time, you'll get to the point where your primary goal is to maintain the strength that you've gained and not be losing strength as you age. And yes, there does come a point where your goal is to minimize strength loss. If you're 85 years old and you've been strength training for 40 years, there's a point where you will generally decrease your strength. However, your goal then becomes to minimize strength loss. If you compare that curve, increase, maintain, small decreases, to the curve of the average American, they are the polar opposites of one another. So you can be healthy, independent, robust by gaining strength, maintaining strength, and then minimizing strength loss over time.